If you have any model of iPhone with no charging or charging port doesn't work after inserting the charger, then this video shows how you can easily fix your not charging iPhone. Welcome back to another new video. If your iPhone has issues like iPhone not charging, even after connecting it's get auto disconnected, then no charging, or sometime you bend the cable then charging shows. In this video, I am going to tell you the key point by which you can easily fix from your home in a very simple way. Here you can see other iPhone are charging without any issues, but while we insert the same charger to the iPhone, no response of charging. If you observe closely, here the data cable is not inserted properly and shows some gap. So I recommend you all, if you face charging issues, then first check it if this happened to your iPhone. Such cases happen due to dust or pocket lint. Whatever gets in there get packed with the charger every time you plug in it. Without further delay, let's fix the problem. First, you have to clean it. You can use a metal object like a SIM ejector or needle, but do it carefully. The main job you have to do is clean the charging port and remove dirt. You can use earbuds or a toothpick to clean it. The previous data cable was not inserted properly inside. After the proper cleaning, now you can see the data cable is well inserted. In the same charging port, the data cable was not inserted properly inside. Wait for a few seconds. Now the charging logo shows, mean the problem was fixed. After cleaning and inserting the charger, here you can see the charging system was auto disconnected and connected. If you have charging disconnected issues, then we have the best solution for this. By this process, you can tighten the loose charging port without changing the new one. For this, you have to disassemble the iPhone first. Here you can see a metal bar over the charging port that need to be pressed. Doing this make your charging port tight. This is the simple process by which you can easily fix your charging related issues. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe for the more useful content, and share with friends if this solves your issues. Thanks for watching. It's me, your friend Akash. Peace out.